Hey everyone, it's Derek from the Mock Family Resource Center again. I'm going to do a quick video here of some clips of ice fishing that I've done in the last couple of years. I haven't been able to get out there and shoot any new videos yet just because the ice is still working its way up to being safe. I checked it the other day, the pond that I usually fish, and it's about 3 to 3.5 inches thick. I'd like it to be a little bit thicker before I get out there and start drilling a bunch of holes, so I'll probably wait another week or so. It did hold my weight. I walked out maybe 40 or 50 yards and there was no cracking or anything, but I like to be extra cautious when it comes to that because you definitely don't want to fall in. So the cold nights in the next week or so should help put a little bit more ice under there and we should be good to go, and I can film some videos for you guys on what bait to use, how to put the bait on the hooks, how to set up your traps, and how to actually reel in the fish on the traps. So you guys will be all set and ready to go when you feel like you're ready to hit the hard water. Until then, this video is going to be a bunch of clips that I've taken in the last couple of years of me out there fishing. No instructional stuff, it's pretty much just me reeling in some fish, so hope you enjoy.
Ah, yeah. That's a good brown trout right there. This thing was moving and shaking. Something grabbed me.
Alright, so that was a quick little look on what ice fishing is like. Hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, In the next week or so, I'll be taking some more video of actually instructing you how to use the equipment and how to actually get fishing out there on the hard water. So look forward to that in the next week or so. And again, until then, be safe, be healthy, and be kind to one another. Happy New Year.